Hello everyone, welcome to Tools Hub, where innovation meets imagination. Today, we're exploring tools and inventions that prove human creativity has no limits. Ready to be amazed? Let's dive in. Harvesting chestnuts has never been easier. No climbing required. Just a simple, efficient process that's fun to watch. With this solar charger in your backpack, you can forget about low battery worries. Wherever you are, you always have a clean, convenient, and environmentally friendly solution to keep things running smoothly. You have to wonder, can any piece of steel really stand up to the power of this monster? What makes this circular saw really stand out is the built-in measuring function, turning what used to be a very laborious task into a smooth and satisfying process, without the need for manual measuring tools. Getting the right angle and clean cut is often a big challenge, but with this tool, the job becomes extremely easy, saving time and producing professional quality results. If you've ever removed tiles, you know how difficult it can be to install them correctly. Check out this Bosch floor scraper. It will help you do it with ease. The art of shoemaking is truly fascinating, as every little detail comes together like pure magic. It's not often you see a device that can cut through hard materials so gently and quickly. Remember the name, because it's truly revolutionary. Clogged drain? Forget the plunger. This clever device For anyone who does manual work, this tool is a real breakthrough. With its superior adaptability and reliability, it is the perfect choice for all types of projects. This is what happens when smart machines meet delicious food. A match made in heaven. With advanced technology, this belt reinforcement robot helps reduce the burden and save time for workers. This device is the perfect example of the combination of innovation and performance, providing powerful cleaning support wherever you need it. Growing plants has never been easier, fast, easy, and stress-free. Try it once and you won't want to go back. Worried about a clogged toilet? The cordless drain cleaner from Greenworks is just what you need. This tool makes attaching and cutting sheets of material, which used to be a cumbersome task, light, and smooth. When running at full speed, it feels like the work is being done almost automatically. Need a packaging method that you can trust? This system protects your devices like the precious things they are: safe, smart, and convincing.
Precision is born where human skill meets the power of tools. True strength is not in the size of the tool, but in the control and purpose behind each blow. Unity turns heavy burdens into shared strength and shared victories. With precision and pressure, the machine tears through concrete like time through stone. She takes down giant trees like a prowho, says strength has a gender. Sit back, relax, and watch as a masterpiece comes to life before your eyes. We truly appreciate each view and comment from you. May this video offer you a peaceful and joyful time. Focus on this part, you'll learn how to master slicing just like the pros do. Her hands move with the grace of a dancer, making food feel like art. Watching these parts work together is like watching a mechanical ballet: precision, strength, and rhythm. With talent like hers, even a simple door can be turned into a work of art. He taught me a disassembly method that is incredibly simple yet highly effective. Building walls alone is not enough. This is the true art of construction. With modern machinery, removing old floors has become a smooth and efficient process. Take a closer look, and you will be amazed at the craftsmanship behind the creation of these conical hats. If you've made it this far, don't leave without hitting that subscribe button. There are so many amazing videos waiting for you in the days to come. This process reinforces the car frame, making it more durable and resistant to corrosion over time. This method is a quick and cost-effective way to restore the beauty of a lawn without replacing the grass. Modern agricultural machinery has revolutionized farming, helping farmers harvest vast fields in a fraction of the time. Designed for efficiency, this smart sprinkler system saves time, conserves water, and boosts crop yields. Which moment in this video left the strongest impression on you? Please don't hesitate to share your thoughts with us below. Skilled blacksmiths know that true quality is forged through patience and precision. Once this machine is in motion, no stake stands a chance of holding its ground. Under the force of this high-pressure spray, old paint becomes nothing more than a distant memory.
Thank you for watching our video. Hope you found useful tools for yourself. We wish you have a good day. Goodbye and see you again.